Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to connect Peloton to Strava. So to get started with the guide and easy workaround on how you can easily connect Peloton to Strava. So the first thing to do is to open the Peloton app or the bike screen, then sign into your Peloton account and go to the settings. So once that is done, go to connected app. So in the settings, tap the connected app or social, then select Strava. So once you select Strava, tap on the Strava, then sign in with your Strava account and grant the permission. Then once that is done, next you have to enable auto synchronization. So turn on the auto post to Strava so future workout can sync well automatically. Then after that, you have to share past workouts if needed. So to do this, open a workout in your history and tap share. Then from there, Strava to post manually. So once that is done, your Peloton workout will now sync directly to Strava without extra steps. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, don't know the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.